Imagine yourself in this Dodge 2019 Journey say. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include monotone paint application, engine, 2.4 Li 4DOHC16V dual VVT, STD, quick order package 22A included, engine 2.4 Li 4DOHC16V dual VVT transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, pitch black clear coat, wheels, 17 inches x 6.5 steel, STD, normal duty suspension, STD, connectivity group included, Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth leather-wrapped steering wheel, Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth included, leather-wrapped steering wheel and transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, STD. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today.